Now students, looking at the other important concept in order picking, it would be goods to picker. We talked about pick to goods or picker to goods concept. Now what would be the equipment used for goods to picker? Let us look at it. Various type of equipments have therefore been devised to bring goods to the picker rather than the other way around. Now it's different. Now here goods would be actually coming to the picker rather than the picker going to the goods. And there is a mechanism, there is a equipment that actually suffices this objective. We have horizontal and vertical carousels. Carousels would be a combination of a storage area as well as the conveyor in a simple sense. And we can have carousels we have seen carousels which could be vertical, which could be horizontal. So horizontal and vertical carousels would be extensively used for goods to picker kind of a strategy. Then we have mini loads. Of course, mini loads would be coming on some roller conveyor, and they are for a smaller tot bins and pallets or cartons. Mini loads can be used. The mechanism of mini loads can be used. The equipment which is known as mini loads can be used for goods to picker strategy. Tots to picker system is also there. This is one of these newer systems, but would only be used for those type of equipments in which is actually smaller in size and not heavy in nature, like the courier of any or the mail of any which is being stored at any warehouse. Because tot to picker system there is a limitation. It doesn't allow for heavy packages or heavy cartons to be moved on that system. Then there is pallet to picker system. This is the one in which relatively higher weight can be moved on the pallets, and that conveyor type of system will actually be taking it to the picker. Of course, these systems first of all take the goods from the racks onto the aisles, and from those aisles the conveyor type system will actually move it to the picker. Shelf modules to picker systems. This would be the broader system in which goods from the shelves, which are normally heavier in size, would be lifted onto the aisles and onto those conveyor type systems, from where it would be moving to the picker. Of course, there are hybrid systems as well. In a hybrid system, it would be in between the picker to goods or goods to picker. In fact, there would be some mechanism for taking the stored product and take it out or retrieve it to the aisle. And after retrieving it to the aisle, it would become a goods to picker kind of a system. Before that, it would be a picker to good kind of a system. But picker could be some automated system in the form of a robot as well. So the hybrid system is also common internationally. Thank you.